So today we are going to be doing some slime videos. So here I have two slimes I've personally made. This one so far is my favorite. It's my pink one. My cat is annoying me so much. So, oh my gosh, my cat is like out of control today. Won't go away. Even though I love her, it just annoys me. So that was the pink one. It's not a snapping one because I put a lot of borax in it. So it was all like boraxy, so it's a little, every time you like rip it, a bunch of borax flies around. So this one is a snapping one. As you can see right there, it's a really nice slime if you want to like just like play around with it. Like it's like, I'm not, I can't juggle. Oh, Mr. Potato Head, tell me. Sorry. So yeah, let me just put this back, like, cause like it like when you rip it, it goes into pieces. So I don't want it to go into pieces. Like you can see, like. Let's do it plain. Okay.